Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan Versa versus the Hyundai Elantra, helping you decide which car best fits your needs. We'll look at their core differences, starting with their classification and price point. The Nissan Versa is known for its exceptional affordability, often being one of the lowest-priced new cars available. The Hyundai Elantra, while still budget-friendly, sits in a slightly higher class, offering a bit more size and standard features for its slightly higher starting price. When it comes to performance, the Hyundai Elantra generally offers more power with its standard 2.0-liter engine, delivering 147 horsepower. The Nissan Versa, with its 1.6-liter engine, provides 122 horsepower. For fuel efficiency, both are excellent. The Versa, with its continuously variable transmission, can reach up to 35 miles per gallon combined, while the Elantra's standard engine gets up to 36 miles per gallon combined. The Elantra also has a hybrid option for even greater fuel savings. Inside, both sedans prioritize comfort and practicality. The Nissan Versa boasts a slightly larger trunk, offering up to 15 cubic feet of space, compared to the Elantra's 14 cubic feet. However, the Elantra is often praised for its overall spacious interior, classified as a mid-size car by the EPA. Both vehicles come equipped with comprehensive safety suites. The Versa includes Nissan Safety Shield 360, while the Elantra features Hyundai Smart Sense, both offering advanced driver assist technologies for peace of mind. Ultimately, choosing between the Nissan Versa and Hyundai Elantra depends on your priorities. If you're seeking the absolute lowest entry price and excellent fuel economy in a subcompact package, the Versa is a compelling option. If you desire more horsepower, a slightly larger interior, and potentially more advanced standard features, the Elantra offers a strong value proposition in the compact segment. Both are reliable, efficient cars. For more great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.